Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Western Union account. Western Union is American multinational financial corporation used to send money online around the world. To log in Western Union account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.westernunion.com/US. US stands for the country code of United States. It will help you find location by entering the country code. With that, here you'll be taken to Western Union's official website. Now here you can see login option on the top. Click on login option. With that, here you'll be taken to login page. Now, to log into your Western Union account, you need to first enter your email address. If you have saved your email address, then it will automatically be added by Western Union itself. With that, now here you need to enter the password of your account. Make sure you enter the correct password of your account. With that, if you are having trouble signing in, then you can click on Need Help Logging In. Similarly, if you haven't created your account, then you can click on Register option on the top. With that, after entering all the information, click on the option of Continue. With that, now here you'll be logged into your account. As you can see here, I have been logged into my Western Union account. This is how we can log in Western Union account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.